All right, this is science and social studies for the first week. Okay, what Miss Worrell has asked that you do is you are going to create a solar system project. It's going to be a 3D model, and guys, have fun with this. Okay, grab things from home. She's giving you some ideas here. It says you can use any material such as yarn, string, styrofoam, construction paper, cardboard, bottles, etc. Be creative, make it your own. Okay, but you have to label the following. You have to have your sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, which are the planets, of course, the dwarf planet Pluto. And then you also have to have the Kuiper belt and the asteroid belt labeled in your project, okay? And in just a minute, I'm going to go through and we're going to look at the packet that she's given you with all of those things listed in there. While you're doing this, though, I'm going to go ahead and read week 2 so that you have an idea while you're working on this to do this next part too. You can do it now or you can wait to next week, but at least this way it'll get your brain thinking about it, okay? So it says you're going to write a detailed 1-paragraph summary about a planet of your choice, which provides details about that planet and its place in our solar system, okay? So you're going to choose one planet, but you have to have details about that planet. You're going to make sure to write a topic sentence. So again, that's just what are you writing about? Your topic, your planet, okay? That's your first sentence. You can look online and I have a booklet with information of each of the planets and the sun, okay? So I have that there. Finally, you're going to create a glossary of the sun and planets in alphabetical order. You can use loose leaf paper. So what that means is she has here the packet, and you're going to make a glossary. So you need to have included the sun in your glossary and all those other things from up top, okay? So think about it. Alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Of course, A would be first, the asteroid belt. So you're going to define the asteroid belt from your packet. And then you're going to go to the next letter of the alphabet. So if you look at them, I always put A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z there, okay? And then we already know asteroid is first. You look and see if any of the topics begin with B, which I don't see one, okay? And then C, so on, okay? You have to put them in alphabetical order when you do your glossary. And then all you have to do is define them. So what is the asteroid belt? Write asteroid belt, tell me what it is. Then you would go to the next one, which I'm thinking, just doing it quickly, would be dwarf planet of Pluto. So D would of course be next, so define Pluto, and again, it's in your packet. All right, social studies for the first week. Down at the bottom, it says you're going to create a business plan. Oh, nope, I'm sorry. Social studies week 1. Needs and wants vocabulary cards. In the packet that she gave you, you have this page, okay? So what you're going to do is you have budget. It's going to go through and she's going to tell you what she would like you to do with these words. So budget is a noun, a plan that details how money will be earned and spent. Kendra made a budget for herself so she could save for a new car. This, use a word in a sentence and give an example to show you understand the meaning, okay? Your parents can help. These are big vocabulary words for 3rd graders, but y'all need to know these things. This is important because as a parent, as an adult, I have a budget that I have to stick to, okay? So read the word, use it in a sentence, and then draw the vocabulary word or draw an example of it, okay? So that's those. Choice is the next one, a decision you make between 2 or more options. So I can't afford the blue shoes and the red one, so I have to make a choice about which pair to buy. So again, you're gonna use it in a sentence, and then you're gonna draw an example of it. Goods is noun, things that are made or grown and then sold. The market had all kinds of goods for sale, including fruit, toys, and furniture. Synonyms for the word, which are ones that mean the same, would be merchandise or wares. You're gonna use it in a sentence, again, and draw an example. Need is a noun, something required for survival. So think of things you need. My needs are food, shelter, and love, but I have many wants. So again, use it in a sentence, draw the vocabulary word. I would suggest that when you write your sentences, always underline the vocabulary word that you're using, okay? So need and goods, all the other ones need to be underlined as well. All right, the word save is a verb. So to set aside money for later use. They are trying to save for a house so they don't take out a large loan. So again, use it in the sentence, make sure you underline it and draw an example. Service, noun, to perform the duty of work for another person. When you go to a restaurant, you're paying for the food and for the service. Again, write a sentence using that word, underline it. Spend, to give money to pay for something. I spend way too much money on cute outfits for my baby nephew. Want, noun, is a desire. Movie tickets are an example of a want. You'll survive if you don't see the movie. Again, use it again in a sentence and underline it. All right, so that is Social Studies Week 1 and Science Week 1. I'm going to read the packet on another video to keep it kind of separated so the videos aren't so very long, okay? So I'll have a different I'll have a different video for that one that I'll send out.